What, man?
Here to explain yourself? I mean, do you want to let everybody know? I mean, you see the snow on the windshield, and
What?
it's in the shop. So, what's going on?
Don't worry about it, man.
Well, I'll tell you what's going on. Since everybody wants to keep texting me, I don't know. That was Sam the Adventure Man. YouTube guys. Today we're gonna embark on Jacob's ST,
Sir.
Focus ST, better known as
Betty White.
yeah, Miss Betty White. Ford and a lot of other manufacturers were kind enough to us to put a stupid tube into the firewall that comes all the way down here to the intake. Says this cute little tube.
Yep.
It's a tube. That tube is actually what they call a sound Symposer. It funnels engine noise into the bay. We don't really hear it, but
Yeah, into the cabin. Well,
we're into the cabin.
the only noise I can really tell is the turbo spool up. That's it.
So,
Like a very faint turbo noise, and then it just disappears.
so what we're gonna do? We got a cute bag here. And once again, thank you, CJ Pony Parts.
Yes, sir.
Double up. I still got my box down here from Clifford, but this is what we call a Sound Symposer delete kit. We're gonna get rid of that stupid thing.
Yeah, it should help with drone and that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Just drone. It just quiets down the cab of the car. Cabin. What, man? What's in there?
Oh man,
They add some extra goodies or something?
there's a receipt.
Oh, okay.
What's this Turbo Smart?
I don't know, what is it?
What is that?
What's that? Man?
What does that say? Blow off valve.
Man, put that away, man.
Oh, sorry.
That's next video. Come on.
Sorry. Little sneak peek.
Yep.
So today you're gonna get two different videos from us.
Yep.
First one, this one, we're gonna delete that sound Symposer, get that crap out of here. The next one you'll get next week.
The turbo blow valve.
Get that
Yeah.
blow off valve.
Yep.
See if we can find the wheel lock key
Yeah.
and get the car out of the shop. You know, the door decided to break.
All right, man. Let's get to it.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's knock it out. Guys, we'll be back.
Alright guys, so it's two 8mm bolts right there, and then you have a tube that runs up under air intake to this valve, and then you have the tube that runs over to right there. We'll show you the finished product. Alright you guys, so on this valve in the back right here, you have a little, it's like a little push pin type thing, and then a little star bit. Just keep that in mind, don't try to rip that valve out.
This is what we're talking about, guys. This side Literally bolts up to the intake manifold.
Yep, with those two little,
Yeah. And it's
two
like
little 8mm
up underneath like this. And then it tracks back up.
into the firewall, or to that valve right there.
Yeah, to this valve. And then to the firewall. Now, the only question I've got, it's got a plug-in.
Yeah.
Now, you said when you were researching this, you didn't see...
No, the ones before mine, I have an 18. Like, I've watched a 16 and even a 15, and I didn't think, or I don't remember them saying anything about a plug on that valve. So...
Well, if it throws the check engine light, we'll hold on to it, because basically what we can do is...
you just leave that valve in there.
Mount that back in and plug it back up. If it throws a light. If it don't throw a light...
We're chilling, yeah.
Forget it. But basically, it had one
Hey,
screw.
if it throws a light, might have to just go ahead and buy that Cobb
tuner.
Yeah, that Cobb tuner.
And make it disappear anyway.
Yeah, buddy.
But it has a little push tab into the battery box, and then a bolt that goes into the battery box
Little
too.
star bit.
Dude, this thing's, look at that. Look inside there. Can you see inside it?
Yep.
It's got like a little...
Stupid.
Anyway,
We're ready.
we're ready, man. We're ready. Get this all put together.
Be right back.
Yep.
Alright, you guys. This is the after product
Dang, son.
of Sound Symposer Delete.
Bad plug, sorry.
Alright, man.
You want me to start it for you?
Yeah, sure.
Where's your keys at? Are you in the car?
Oh my god, I can't take you serious right now.
Alright, you ready to start this thing up?
Yep.
Got the key. Get the right key, let's do it.
Alright.
I don't know how much of a difference we're in here, but...
Hopefully a good little bit.
Well, one good thing, which we hadn't been able to drive it much. No check engine light, but this is the first time they've been in this car. Also, this is something it was not doing with the Sound Symposer in which Jacob's getting a little tickled. Hope they can hear. Hopefully you can hear the
Yeah,
blow
let me hop out. So before the Sound Symposer Delete was on, I wasn't able to hear the blow-off valve. And now it's really, really loud.
Good. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up another video. And I just want to say real quick, look how clean this looks. I mean, of course, we're going to change all this stuff over eventually. Get this plastic out of here, get a good front mount, well, good piping onto the front mount that's here.
Yep.
But,
Yeah, with that Sound Symposer gone, get a little block off plate right there. There's no hoses or nothing up under the air intake or nothing.
cleans it up a lot.
Yep.
So, guys, keep subscribing, keep sharing. Hit that notification bell. Hit the thumbs up. And let's just keep building this channel.
Yes, sir.
Because with y'all, we keep getting to do cool stuff like this.
Yeah, man.
So, that being said, there's only one other thing to do. Guys, never forget. Dream big. See ya.